My vans need some cleaning. Alright then, let's clean them up with SHOEGR Essential Kit. Tear it open to access SHOEGR cleaning solution and SHOEGR all-purpose brush. To get started, squirt some dollops of SHOEGR cleaning solution into water. Remove the laces from your shoes. Dip the brush into the solution and simply start brushing your shoes to create a light foam. Grab your SHOEGR microfiber towel and gently wipe your shoes clean. As for the laces, simply soak them in the solution, give them a thorough rub, and wipe with microfiber towel. Alright, we're done and the difference is evident. Try it for yourself, SHOEGR.